Alright, it's time to do my math homework. I wonder what Julie assigned us today. Let's see. I think it was something about u-substitution.
Alright, integration worksheet. I'm trying to remember what Julie taught us in class. Let's try out the first problem. The integral of 2x dx. Hey, that's pretty easy. It's just x squared plus c, isn't it? Great. Yay, number 2. Okay, so it says integral of e to the x dx. Well, the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x. So it's just e to the x plus c. Great. Number 3. The integral of sine x cosine x dx. Well, wait, didn't Julie say something about u-substitution? Let me ask Sanjita if she can help.
Calculus girl, I tell him, hey, I got a new method for y'all. I'll call u-substitution. You gotta take u and substitute it to help you anti-derive.
Integrate.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Take u and a function, then take the derivative of u. Du equals dx, then swap u and du. Now integrate with the u and swap u with the old function. Do what you need to do and get the right answer and holla.
Now you.
Why do that? Let me tell you. Much easier to anti-derive that thing, much easier to make Julie proud of you. You makes it so much easier, so you that method all the time. Get the right answer and don't forget that plus c. Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral. So here's a great example. Take sine x times cosine x. Replace the sine x with u. Then derive the u to du. Du equals cosine x dx. Now we halfway there. Replace the function with u and anti-derive the u du. Watch me do it.
Watch me do it.
Solve.
Let's
get to it. Half u squared is the integral. Wait, replace u with sine x. Out comes the answer, which is half sine squared x plus c.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Calculus girl ain't done with you yet. There's still things you need to know. If there are limits of integration, then change the limits now. 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 How to change the limits, you wonder? It's easy, just add one more step. Replace the limits with the u you chose, then change the limits now. Change the limits now. Change the limits now. Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that.
Calculus girl will help you solve an integral that is too hard. So watch me substitute that problem, find that integral. Now watch me
Substitute that problem.
Now watch me
Substitute that function.
Now watch me
Substitute that equation.
Now watch me
Substitute that integral.
Oh, I get it now. So that means for this one, u equals x squared plus 2. And you derive that and get du equals 2x dx. And then I guess you just put u and du in. So the integral would be 1 over u du. And then when you antiderive, you're going to get ln absolute value of u. Now all you have to do is put the u in. So it's going to be ln absolute value of x squared plus 2. And don't forget the plus c. Great. Hey, that was pretty easy. I think I can do the next one now.